Hello, my darlings. Happy Thanksgiving to all. Welcome. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. Today, I'm a part of Christmas Centerpiece, hosted by Chantel, Kiki, and Zaina. So if you haven't visited their channel, please do so. Crafty Hints, Chantel, Kiki DIYs, and Zaina at OK at Home, along with the amazing playlist with amazing creators. Let's create some beautiful centerpieces. I got those 3 wooden pieces, 2 large one and 1 smaller one from Dollar Tree, and with a wood glue and a crazy hot glue to get it glue faster, we are creating a triangle. Next, we're adding those green garlands from Dollar Tree, and we're gonna cover our triangle with that. Basically, we are creating a beautiful Christmas tree centerpiece, farmhouse centerpiece. So I'm just going all over with the garland until I cover the whole wood, just like that. When it's all covered, we're distressing it with a white Waverly chalk paint so we can get that frosty look all over my tree. Super easy, not too much paint, just to have that touch of a frosty. And when all that is done, we're gonna add some snowflakes, adding those greenery Chanel stems to make the lines for my snowflakes. You're gonna see how I'm gonna line them up, just like that. Some of them will be hanging, some of them will be on the side. So for those that they're gonna hang, after I add a twine, that twine I'm gonna cover it with that green Chanel stem, just like that. Super interesting and cute. After I tied with the twine, I'm covering it with this Chanel stem, as I said, just like that. Super easy and cute. When all that is done, I'm gonna distress that greeneries too inside, some snowflakes on the bottom, and also I'm gonna add 2 white birds from Dollar Tree. You wanna see the final result. Now we're gonna create the napkin rings to match with our centerpiece. I got those from a local store for 99 cents or $1.99, I'm not sure. I'm using the same Chanel stem with the greenery, and I'm gonna cover it on my napkins. So we're gonna get a nice, beautiful farmhouse look for our dining room table for Christmas. So just like that, going all over the ring. And I got one of those napkins just to see how I'm gonna decorate it. We can do it like that, make it like a splits, or we can make it as a ruffle, and I think as a ruffle looks better. And that's it. And here is my first centerpiece that I created. Look how beautiful it looks. What do you think? I am really loving it with the snowflakes. Behind, I have this Christmas clear tree, and I have that over for 20 years. We have a lot of pine cones, acorns, berries, all that behind, cinnamon sticks. So I just put it as a decoration, and with the snowflakes and those 2 birds. And here's the napkin rings together with the plates, and I'm gonna show you the birds. Okay, we got a matching candles as well. Very cute. I bought those for a couple of cents last year after Christmas season. Remember, after Christmas season, everybody's shopping for the next year. And here are the 2 beautiful pigeons. I am really loving them. I put one on top and one on bottom, and I am really loving this. Let me know, what do you think? And if you're planning to recreate this. Super easy, super cute, and super cheap. My next centerpiece is super cute too and easy. I am using this wooden plaque from Dollar Tree, adding those square foams on top of the wooden plaque, and also two of those mini Christmas tree from Dollar Tree. I'm just opening them and distressing them with a white Waverly chalk paint so we can get that frosty look as well. Next, I'm gluing that foam on top of the wooden plaque, just like so. And now on the side, I'm gonna glue on each side the mini Christmas tree, just like that, so we can create a beautiful centerpiece. That's it. Next, I'm using two ribbons. I'm cutting them on the same size, and we're gonna use two of each on two sides. So actually I'm using 4 ribbons on one side and 4 ribbons on another side. So what I'm doing is going through the Christmas tree, and I'm just creating a loops and doing the same thing on the other side as well, just like that, using the Christmas tree as a divider, and doing the same thing on another side as well, just like that. Super easy. It's not a big philosophy of this, but it's gonna wait till you see the final result. Do the same thing on the other side as well, just like that. Opening, cutting the fishtails on each corners of those ribbons, just like that. Next, with the same ribbons, we're making a bow. As if you're watching my channel, you know how I'm making those bows with the loops. So we're gonna make the cute bow tied with a twine, just like that, opening up the loops so we can have a nice looking bow, so we can put it in the center of our centerpiece, cutting the edges as well. Adding more greeneries on top of our centerpiece as well. I got those from Hubby Lobby on sale as well, with the faux wood and pine cones, just like that. Adding the sign purchased from Walmart for 97 cents on a wooden stick, and then I'm gonna cover the other side, but you're gonna see that at the final reveal. Making a bow with that Chanel stem too, and now with the green garland covering the foam as well. Distressing this green garland as well with the white paint. And now I'm adding more acorns, pine cones, whatever, berries, whatever I have in that bag. I got that bag on sale from Hobby Lobby for like $5, and it's full of goodies of pine cones, acorns, berries, and they smell so good. And that's it, and look how pretty it looks. Let me know what do you think, and let me know if I give you a good explanation so you can try to make one for yourself. And I put it on my dining room. I added my lanterns as well that I created previously in some of my videos to match with it. And look how cute it looks. I am really loving it. What do you think? that Merry Christmas sign. And on another side, you're gonna have a Santa sign. I'll show it to you later on. You're gonna see it. And I think I did a really good job. Before you watch my final centerpiece, don't forget to watch the whole playlist of all amazing creators together with the hosts and all my amazing friends creators. And for my final centerpiece today, super easy. I'm using this wooden piece. I'm adding those two beautiful frosted pieces, also purchased on sale from Hobby Lobby, I believe. Frosted, look how pretty they look with that acorn, pine cone, whatever you call them. I'm so bad with that. And I'm just adding all those extra pieces that I got from that cute bag that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. They have a frosted pear, they have acorn, they have pine cone, they had more greeneries, and they all smell so good. My house smells so good, and you guys should purchase some of them. They were so cheap, but it's a huge clear bag full of goodies. So I'm just putting that, and in the middle I'm just gonna put one of those candles that I made long time ago, and on top we're gonna put a nice beautiful candle from Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. And to make it more details, in the middle of the candle I'm gonna add a bow, one of those Dollar Tree ribbons, farmhouse looking ribbon with the greeneries, and just make a loop just for one bow, adding more greenery pieces, and that's it. And this is the final reveal for my final centerpiece. I add those little mini boots from Dollar Tree. Look how cute they look too. And that's it. Super simple, easy, cheap, and gorgeous. Let me know if you're gonna try some of my centerpieces, and I hope I gave you some inspirations today. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving dinner with your family. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye.